Welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss why and how to become a digital publisher. The consumption of digital publications is on the rise. The digital revolution has made access to digital content easy. More companies are shifting their training to the e-learning model. People use cell phones for long periods of the day, preferring content consumption through them. Digital reading content offers many advantages over the traditional type. It is not prone to weathering from natural elements. It doesn't need mounds of paper and lots of ink to get created. It doesn't need a physical distribution chain to reach its target audience. It's cheaper to create than traditional content distribution mechanisms. It offers space for a variety of media like audio and video. One can interact with the content, increasing engagement and retention. The perils of not publishing digitally: high input costs compared to the returns gained. Catering to an ever-shrinking market and customer interest. Can't provide the latest content without the means for quick and easy updates. There are three main digital content distribution mechanisms: ebooks that replace traditional books with enhanced and interactive content, audiobooks that turn reading into a listening process, web-based formats that provide access to all types of content via the internet and browsers. Digital content can be published in a variety of file formats. EPUB, text, PDF is the go-to ones for ebooks. Audiobooks are found in MP3, AAC, FLAC, and some proprietary formats. Web-based digital content uses HTML5 and other technologies to construct and present the content. Ebook conversions helps publishers in many ways. It saves the original content and its format. Like with a fixed layout EPUB conversion, it saves time compared to creating fresh digital content and material. It saves money because of the lack of need to redo the content creation process. Contact us. www.sunticdigital.com 1-585-283-0055 info@sunticdigital.com